guys, been a great few days. I'm downstairs. It's probably pretty loud from the engine. It's probably loud from the wind up here. But yeah, we left Atlantic Highlands a few days ago, and what a night sailing. We left in like 30, 35 knot, gusting to 35, and we were sailing from Atlantic Highlands to Cape May between 8 to 9.2 knots, and I only had the main was totally reefed, and I only had a little scrap, like I don't know, 8% of my jib out, and we were flying, doing close to 9 knots and over 9 knots. It was absolutely fantastic. The wind died down, and we turned up the Delaware Bay, motored up the Delaware. We went through the C&D Canal into the Chesapeake, and we've been hitting it hard every day from first light to last light, dropping the hook and moving on the next day. We just left Annapolis, and we are bound for as far south on the Chesapeake as possible. And let me show you what the day looks like. Here's the autopilot that I installed. My crewman Todd. It's a lovely day. Cheers guys, peace, love, and coconuts.